Hello Pepsters! I'm here to give you some of my opinion, observation sa katatapos lang na Binibining Pilipinas 2015 Grand Coronation Night na ginawa sa Smart Araneta Coliseum this Sunday. Okay, I have 3 things to say. Una, yung question and answer portion ng Binibining Pilipinas, compared to other editions, mas marami ngayon or almost of the top 15 gave very impressive answers. Marami sa kanila ang mabilis mag-isip and swak na swak yung mga binigay nilang sagot sa mga questions na ibinato sa kanila. Hindi ako makakuha ng hindi ko ma-describe lahat yung top 15 kasi marami nga sila, pero yung general observation ko, I think this is something na we should be proud of kasi laging sinasabi, laging na-highlight na pagdating sa question and answer, yung mga representatives natin are weak when it comes to question and answer. Pero this time, if they keep it up, I think malaki yung magiging chance natin na we can make a good impression pagdating ng question and answer kung sino man sa kanila. Well, kapag pinadala doon si Pia Wurtzbach, who will represent the Philippines sa next Miss Universe pageant. She's one of the contestants na I am impressed when she answered the question about being responsible users of internet, na sabi niya na we should think before we click. That was very witty, and then yung sagot ni Winwin din na kung papayag ba siya maging ambassador of goodwill at ano yung magagawa niya or ano yung feeling niya na makakatulong para ma-resolve yung issue sa conflicts ngayon, which is about na nangyayaring gulo sa Mindanao. And then maganda yung binigay niyang sagot considering na ito yung isa sa mga mainit na issues na pinag-usapan today, and then meron siyang sariling opinion on how to resolve the conflict. Yung atmosphere during the Grand Coronation Night, well, it was my first time to see it live. Marami sa mga Binibining Pilipinas former winners were there, syempre. Well, nandun din yung, since Winwin is a celebrity, nandun din yung nanay niya, tatay niya, and then her siblings like Vandolph, si Jeremy Marquez, and then marami yung mga supporters niya doon. And then also with the other contestants, yung iba from other provinces, I mean, they really cheered for their bets. Very lively yung audience dun sa Binibining Pilipinas kasi since we all know naman na Filipinos are enthusiasts, beauty pageant enthusiasts. So marami din mga celebrities na nandun like si Vice Ganda, and nandun sila Daniel Matsunaga who was there also, and Benjamin Alves nandun din. And then second, Pia Wurtzbach. Siya yung dineclare na Miss Universe Philippines 2015. And yung observation ko dito, parang nagiging trend dito yung mga repeaters and then nananalo. Well, let's start with last year's winner for Miss Universe Philippines 2014, si Mary Jean Lastimosa, na nag-join siya ng 3 beses bago siya kinoronahan na Miss Universe Philippines. And then ngayon, si Pia Wurtzbach din, ito rin yung kanyang 3rd time. Like MJ, naging ganun yung nangyari. Pangatlong beses, siya yung nakakuha ng pinakamataas na title. And then, yung feeling ko dito, ang advantage ni Pia is that hindi na siya kailangan i-train kasi alam niya na yung mga kailangan gawin, ikilos, how to look, at advantage yun para sa representative na ipapadala natin sa susunod na Miss Universe. And then, third one, yung naging controversial, yung hindi pagkakapanalo ni Teresita Sen Marquez, o mas kilala natin bilang Winwin Marquez. She's from the Kapuso Network. Ang observation ko dito, I've attended the press presentation of the candidates. I also attended the national costume and then the Grand Coronation Night. Ang performance ni Winwin sa 3 events na to, she is very consistent. Mahusay siyang gumalaw, although it's her first time. Pinaghandaan niya. And then I think nakatulong yung sanay na siya sa camera. Marami sa mga crowd ang nag-agree dito kasi malakas talaga yung cheer sa kanya. The way she carries herself, she's really like a beauty queen. And then, siguro ang comfort na lang kay Winwin is that meron pa siyang dalawang chance uli na mag-join and to prove herself na talagang she is deserving of the crown. Okay, Pepsters, there you have it. So for more updates of Binibining Pilipinas Grand Coronation Night, just log on to pep.ph, and for additional information, follow us on Facebook and Viber public chat, pep.ph, and on Instagram and Twitter, follow us via @pepalerts.